spent a little bit of time reading, thinking, reflecting. So, 5C. I can drive anything 5C, which is amazing. And this little sprocket here is like golden. So with this sprocket, I have a reduction here, which relates to it's tied directly to this shaft. So it's actually spinning the outside disc. So if I put this in between here, what it's doing is it's spinning the disc, like the dividing plate, it's not directly tied to, it's driving the dividing plate, not the divider, the pin. So if I put a servo here, one full turn of that is like a 40th turn of that. I don't know that reduction. I got to find that reduction out. But that drives the 5C. I got this out. So, it had been used. Somebody had banged it up, smashed it, trying to get this out probably. It's hard to drive this from underneath. So this was in the vertical position when I got it. So they had something driving it underneath. So I guess, it would be kind of, if I was going to drive this from underneath, I'd get a big angle bracket and maybe just 90 degree it. It's old. Like this thing is probably maybe 60 years old, 70 years old. And the people who had it, like, the patina. No. Somebody smashed this with a hammer. So it's Fatiga, the Fatiga. This division, so it's a bit beaten up. So I'm gonna try to evapo-rest that and see if I can get that to line up a little bit better. Anyway, I'm very excited at this reduction. I thought this would be much quicker, but that plate spins at a much slower rate. So putting a servo on here to drive this would give me amazing, amazing precision. I don't know this reduction. So this is 4-to-1. So this scepter, 1, 2, 3, 4, spins this thing 4 times. But if I do this, I can't drive that. Well, you can, maybe I can. So like a full rotation of that. Oh my, can I count it? Ooh, here, I'll count that later. Or you count it, put it in the comments. It's probably 40. Oh, it's getting tight. Don't wreck it, Anthony. Don't wreck it, that's halfway. Oh. Don't jam. Anyway, don't drive it by the dividing plate. So anyway, I'm excited about that. That's very good because what I have up here is, so this is a controller for, and inside here is, I can't remember what it's called. It's been such a long time. Anyway, CNC controller. So I'll be able to just plug a G-code in and say, hey, move this many degrees, and I get my divisions. Yes.